In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Trello from scratch, step by step, so you can start organizing your projects, tasks, and team in just a few minutes. Whether you're using Trello for personal productivity, school, or managing a business, this complete beginner-friendly guide will walk you through everything you need to know. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides just like this. Now, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com, then log in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Boards page. This is your main dashboard where all your boards and workspaces live. In the top right corner, click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Create Workspace. A workspace in Trello is like a container that holds all your boards and allows you to collaborate with a team. Now, type in a name for your workspace. This could be your company name, your project name, or even something like personal tasks. Next, select the workspace type. Trello will give you options like business, education, or personal. Choose the one that best fits how you plan to use it. After that, add a short description for your workspace. This is optional, but it's helpful if you're working with a team, so everyone understands the purpose of the workspace. Once you're done, click Continue. Trello will now ask if you want to invite team members. You can invite them by entering their email address, username, or by sharing an invite link. If you prefer to set this up later, just click on I'll do this later. Now that your workspace is created, you'll be inside it. The next step is to create your first board. Click on Create New Board. Type in a title for your board. For example, you might call it Marketing Plan, Project Roadmap, or Weekly Tasks. Then choose a background. You can pick a color or an image to visually organize your boards. This helps you quickly identify different projects. Next, make sure the correct workspace is selected under the Workspace dropdown. Then choose the board visibility. You can set it to Private if it's just for you, Workspace Visible if your team should see it, or Public if you want anyone with the link to access it. Once everything looks good, click Create. Your board is now ready. By default, it may be empty, so let's start organizing it. Click on Add a List. Lists are the vertical columns on your board and usually represent stages of a workflow, like To Do, Doing, and Done. Type a name for your first list, such as To Do, and then click Add List. To create more lists, repeat the same process. For example, you might add In Progress and Completed. You can create as many lists as you need to match your workflow. Now let's add tasks inside those lists. Under any list, click on Add a Card. Cards represent individual tasks or items. Type the name of your task, such as Design Homepage or Write Blog Post, and then click Add Card. You can keep clicking Add Card to add more tasks to the same list. To see more options for a task, click on any card to expand it. Inside the card, you'll see multiple options. You can add a detailed description, create a checklist, set a due date, attach files, add labels for color coding, and assign members if you're working in a team. This is where Trello becomes really powerful because you can manage all the details of a task in one place. You can also drag and drop cards between lists as the task progresses. For example, when you start working on something, drag it from To Do to In Progress. Once it's finished, move it to Completed. This visual workflow makes it incredibly easy to track progress at a glance. And that's the basics of how to set up Trello. You've created a workspace, built a board, added lists, created cards, and explored the task details. From here, you can continue customizing your boards, inviting team members, and building workflows that fit your needs. If this video helped you set up Trello, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.